Hello guys, today we're gonna work on a color by numbers. We're going to start with the letter B as in violin, and also we're going to solve a few subtractions. So let's get to work. Okay, today we're gonna start by telling you what to do on the worksheets I sent you. On the video that I sent yesterday, I told you how to make a scale. And what you have to do is, first, on the first one, you have to draw the items on the scale, and you have to circle the item that is heavier. For example, we'll go to the first one. Here we have a question. Which weighs more, an anchor or a butterfly? And you have to think, which of these items is heavier? Which weighs more? And here you have to draw. Remember, the one that is lighter, the one that is light, goes up on the scale, and the one that is heavy goes down. So remember that you always have to draw the heavy object here and the light object here, okay? Up and down. And you have to do the same as in the example, the same on the other places to fill the blank spaces. Next, what you have to do, you are going to pick some objects around your house to use on your scale, and you have to draw them here, okay? You have to draw the items on the scale. How did it work? And here you have to write the names, okay? For example, remember I used a keychain and a cream, and the keychain was light and the cream was heavy. So I'm going to draw the keychain here and the cream here, and I'm going to write the keychain is lighter than the cream. And that's what you have to do on these worksheets. And now we'll go to the workbook on the page 147. Here we have a color by numbers. You have to find the numbers here and find the color. You have to color it and finish this drawing coloring this color, okay? Remember, use this, the number 1. If you find the number 1, here, 1, you have to color it red. 1 red. So here we have the number 1, and we're going to color this red. Now on the phonics on the page 141, we're gonna start with the letter B. B as in violin. And here you have 4 bases, and they have some letters on them. Remember, you have to find the pair of letters B uppercase and B lowercase, and you have to match them together. And when you finish doing the matching of the pairs of B uppercase and lowercase, you have to color the base that only has letter B, okay? Just the base that has letters B. For example, if this has a B, R, B, B, then this base, we are not going to color it, okay? Because it has some other letters, and the one that we have to color is the base that only has letters B. Now we'll go to the page 142. Here what you have to do is write the letter B, uppercase, lowercase, and uppercase and lowercase. And here you have to trace the letter B lowercase to complete the word band. And Then we'll go to the page 143. Here what you have to do is circle the items that starts with the letter B. Only the ones that start with the letter B. B as in violin. I'm gonna give you the names and you have to pay attention so you can circle the ones that starts with the letter B. So, let's go. Vacuum. Vacuum. Yes, vacuum starts with the letter B. So remember, I give you the example, okay? Now, popcorn. Popcorn. Vegetables. Vegetables. Valentine. Valentine. Queen. Queen. Vase. Vase. And now on the math adventures, we'll go to the page 90. Here we are going to count back, okay? And we have again our little friend the frog. It's going to help us to count backwards, okay? So instead of starting on the number 1, we're going to start on the number 10. So pay attention, okay? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now our little friend the frog will help us to solve these operations, okay? And you have to pay attention. Look, there is no plus sign. It's a different sign. It's a minus. So this means we have to take out these ones instead of counting together, okay? So what the frog will help us to do is first go to the number 6, okay? The frog will be on the number 6 and minus, remember you have to take out these ones, 1, 2. Okay, if we're on the number 6 and we have to take out 2, we'll go back, okay? Okay, 6, 5, 4. And the answer is 6 minus 2, 4. We have to write the number 4. Let's do another one, okay? We have the number 4 minus 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the frog will help us going to the number 4 and taking out 3. So the frog will jump back. 1, 2, 3. Landed on the number 1. 4 minus 3 equals 1. And the rest of the operations, you have to do it with your friend the frog. And now on the page 91, remember your friend the dinosaur? That he was on the fair playing games. He went to play the knockout games with the dogs, clowns, bowling pins, and happy faces. And he doesn't remember how many points did he score. Okay, so let's help him again, okay? Here we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There were 6 dogs and we have to write the number here on the first box. 6. And the dinosaur knocked out 2 dogs. Okay, here. So we have to write the number 2 on the second box. And if we have 6 dogs and the dinosaur knocked out 2, how many dogs are standing? 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we have the answer. We'll write the number 4. 6 minus 2 equals 4. And you have to do the same with the rest of the clowns, the bowling pins, and the happy faces. Now on the page 93, look, the dinosaurs are on the bumper cars. Have you ever been on the bumper cars at the fair? They're so much fun. Look, they're having so much fun. And on their cars, they have numbers. But some of the cars have operations like this, and some other cars have the answers. And what you have to do is pay attention. For example, this one. Here, this car has 10 minus 8. You have to solve the operation and find the answer on the other cars and color them of the same color so you can know that this is the operation and this is the answer, okay? 10 minus 8 equal 2. So you have to, I'm going to take the color red, and you have to, don't color like me, okay? You have to color really, really pretty. I'm going to color it just really, really fast so I can show you. Okay. The operation now it's on color red. And the answer, you have to color it of the same color so they match. You have to color the answer of the same color as the operation. And then you have to find some other colors to color the rest of the operations and their answers, okay? Remember, you have to color the operation and the answer of the same color so you can know that that is the answer. If you color it one of each different color, you won't know which one is the answer. So here we have 10 minus 8. I color the car, the bumper car, with the color red, and the answer is 2. 10 minus 8 equals 2, and I color the answer, the car with the answer, also in red. And you have to do the same with the rest of the operations and their answers. And doing a subtraction, remember, you have to take out, okay? Not count together like the addition. And you have to look at the sign. Remember, it's different from the addition. Addition is a cross, and here we just have a little tally, okay? Minus, this is the sign. And you have different ways to solve the subtraction. Here, the first one, this little frog will help us to solve this one, okay? Says that 9, so we'll go to the number 9, minus 6. Remember, that is taking out, okay? So the frog, instead of jumping forward, will jump back. 9 minus 6, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Landed on the number 3. So 9 minus 6 equals 3. We have the answer. And the other way to do it, you can count with your fingers too. But also you can draw small dots or count with objects that you have around your house, okay? Remember, is taking out. Subtraction is taking out. Here we have a number 5. let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots, okay? 5 minus 2, we have 5 and we have to take out 2. So, where is it? And we have 1, 2, 3 left. And this is the answer. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Remember, you have to find the easiest way you can solve your operations, and that's how you have to do it because it works for you, okay? The operations doesn't have just one single way to solve them, so you have to be creative and think of the better way to solve it for you. And that's all for today. See you guys tomorrow. Mwah!